Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn about distance and displacement. It's a very interesting concept of physics, or also we can say in day-to-day life. Let's say you want to start from a point A and you want to end up to point B. This point A and B can be anything, whether from your school to your home, or in my case it's from a tree to another tree. To reach point B, we can have many number of ways. In fact, there are infinite number of ways in which I can reach the point B, but there will be a unique path in which we can reach from point A to point B following a shortest path. First, understand what distance is. Distance will be in all the cases the length of the path traveled. In all the cases the length of the path traveled. But the displacement will also be the same thing, but it is going to be the length of the shortest path traveled. It means if you change your path from A to B, if you go like this or in any ways, the distance is going to be different. But if you follow this path, your displacement will be the shortest distance between point A and B. I hope you understand this. Also, there are a few points to remember. That distance is a scalar quantity. It means we just need magnitude to define distance. On the other hand, displacement is a vector quantity. So we are going to need both magnitude as well as direction to define displacement. Distance is a path dependent, as we have shown in the previous diagram, and displacement just depends on the initial and final location, no matter which path you have taken. And as we have discussed, the distance is going to be the length of the path covered, but the displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points. Now I want you guys to try this question by yourself and write your answer in comments, and the solution to this problem will be in the next video. Thank you so much.